Assalamualaikum everyone.
This is Moaz.
And this is Musa. We're from Sibling World.
So today we're making hearty chocolate croissant.
It's going to be really delicious and mouth-watering. Here are all the ingredients. First, we have some pre-made croissant roll dough. Next, we have some egg mixture for brushing. Then we have 8 chocolate pieces. Let's start. So first you have to take a big spoon and you have to pop this.
Now I'll cut the croissant in half to make it easier. Then you have to like unroll this.
Yeah, you have to do it carefully, or you have to roll it carefully.
Now I'll cut this like this and then like this. Same thing
For my side. So first you have to cut it carefully. So now I will make this croissant roll dough separated from the other dough. So to make the croissant roll, you need to put 1 piece of chocolate right here. You also have to do it. And then you roll it up. And then you have to make it look like a fortune cookie. And then here you have a really small croissant roll. We have to do the same for the other.
Now my croissant is done. I'll bring the tray.
I'm just gonna eat the chocolate. So now we're gonna put some croissants in the tray. Now we will brush some egg on top of the croissants.
Now we have to put this tray in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes.
Hello. Right now we're going to cool this in a room temperature until it's really cooled.
After it has been cooled, now I'll add the croissants on the plate. Now I will add some chocolate.
If you like our video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you liked it a lot.
Goodbye.